Welcome to our comprehensive guide on choosing the perfect business name. Selecting the right name is crucial. It's the foundation of your brand identity and the first impression for potential customers. Today, we're embarking on a discovery journey, exploring both the art and science of naming your business. As entrepreneurs, choosing a name can feel overwhelming, but fear not. We'll unravel the mysteries and equip you with strategies for success. Think of this as an adventure with challenges, insights, and triumphs. Naming your business is more than a creative task. It's essential for a brand that resonates and endures. In the following segments, we'll delve into brand identity, brainstorming, and evaluating names. Join us as we navigate this pivotal part of your journey, and by the end, you'll have a timeless name that truly reflects your vision. Let's embark on this naming journey together. Welcome to the beginning of your journey to finding the perfect business name. In this segment, we'll explore understanding your brand identity. Before deciding on a name, take a moment to define your brand's mission and core values. Ask, what makes my business unique and whom am I here to serve? Clarity will guide every name choice. Next, identify your target audience. Who are the individuals you aim to connect with? By understanding their needs and preferences, you'll choose a name that resonates. Aligning your business name with your brand identity is not just about being catchy, it's about lasting impressions. As we move forward, remember this foundation is your guide. In the next segment, we'll dive into brainstorming name ideas, where creativity takes center stage. Ready to unlock your name's potential? Let's explore this together. Welcome back to our journey of discovering the perfect business name. We're now at the heart of creativity, where ideas pulse with potential. In this brainstorming session, we'll tap into unconventional methods to fuel our imagination. Start with a blank canvas. Let mind maps branch out, capturing each spark. Try word associations, a tool for breaking from conventional bounds. Imagine your business. What images, feelings, and words come to mind? Jot them down, no matter how wild. Explore different naming styles, from playful to professional. Each carries unique appeal. This phase is about exploration. Don't limit yourself. Consider the flexibility of your names, how they might evolve with growth. Picture a lively session, sticky notes covering a whiteboard, ideas bouncing, feeding one another. Look for patterns, themes, and resonant words. Let group creativity guide you. This journey is not a destination. Let your creativity run wild, embracing the messiness. As we unravel brainstorming art, keep your end goal in mind, a name that represents your brand now and promises future vision. Prepare to transition from creation to evaluation, where dreams sift into a standout name. Ready to advance? Let's evaluate your options next. Having journeyed through brainstorming, it's time to evaluate your name options. Assess these amidst endless possibilities. First, ensure your name stands out. Run a search, check if it's taken, and consult trademark databases. Remember, uniqueness is key. Consider pronunciation. Is it easy to say? Avoid names causing customers to stumble. Memorability is equally crucial. A name easy to remember will stick with your audience, enhancing brand identity. Imagine your name in conversations, emails, and spreading by word of mouth. Does it have that smooth, impactful appeal? Our goal is balancing creativity with practicality. These nuances can make all the difference. Some conflicts may arise. A perfect name might be in use or lack the hoped resonance. Accept this as discovery. Filter out options that don't fit, leaving those that shine. As you assess each name's potential, anchor back to your vision and identity. In the next segment, we'll explore testing final name choices and gather real-world feedback to ensure the best decision for your business. Stay tuned. You've narrowed down potential business names. Now comes the critical stage of testing them in the real world. Picture your chosen names in conversations over coffee, in meeting rooms, or during casual chats. Seek feedback from peers, industry experts, and target customers. Do these names evoke the right emotions and ideas? Are they easy to pronounce and recall? Test the names in various contexts, on business cards, in ads, and across social media. This reveals their resonance and alignment with your brand vision. Observe which name stands out, not just in theory, but in practice. Through these tests, let the most compelling name shine. As we wrap up, it's time to decide which name perfectly embodies your brand next. At this pivotal moment, It's time to make the final choice, shaping your business's identity. You've explored options, tested resonance, and assessed alignment with your vision. Focus on the name that captures the essence of what your business stands for, a name that's a legacy, not just a label. Consider how it echoes your values and vision. This is where your journey makes its decisive turn. Use the clarity you've gained to select a name that speaks your voice and aspirations. Remember, the name you choose accompanies you on every business card, conversation, and into your company's future. Trust your instincts and make that defining choice. With your decision made, prepare to embrace the next step of your entrepreneurial journey, solidifying your brand. Let's move forward and see how your name takes flight. As we conclude this naming journey, reflect on the process. Every brainstorming session, evaluation, and feedback shaped your unique business identity. Consider the lessons learned and hurdles overcome. This isn't just about settling on a name, it's about discovering what resonates with your vision and values. Every entrepreneur's path is different, bringing you closer to defining your business. Embrace this as a vital part of your brand's story. Whether you've chosen a name or are still exploring, take pride in the steps taken. Each decision guides your future trajectory. In our next segment, we'll provide actionable steps and resources to move forward with confidence. Let's celebrate the strides made and prepare for the exciting journey ahead. Stay tuned for encouragement on launching your business. Congratulations on completing your naming journey. What an adventure! From contemplating your brand's essence to distilling it into a name that encapsulates your vision. You've taken significant steps toward defining a cornerstone of your business identity, a feat not to be underestimated. Now, standing on the threshold of launching your business, it's time to take that final leap with confidence. Empower yourself with the knowledge gained and let it guide your next steps. A name is more than a label, it's a promise to your customers, a testament to your mission. As you move forward, reach out for support. We've curated resources for refining and protecting your business identity. Whether legal advice, branding workshops, or community forums, leverage these tools to fortify your brand's foundation. The insights gathered through reflection and evaluation are more than a checklist. They're a unique narrative. Embrace this story and let it propel you into a future where your business thrives on clarity and innovation. By committing to this journey of discovery, you've shown remarkable dedication and passion. Each challenge overcome equips you with invaluable skills for your entrepreneurial path. Keep this momentum alive, fueling your drive to succeed. Look ahead, envision possibilities, a vibrant brand name, resonating trust and value, marking your industry presence. This isn't just the end of a video, it's the beginning of a new chapter. Here's to your success, your journey, and the name that symbolizes your business greatness. Go forth, innovate, and turn dreams into reality. Until next time, aim high. The world awaits what only your business can offer.